Hey there, welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you these two things. Timer for your Black Friday. So you can set a timer like sales and timer, or you can set a 10 minutes timer. Right. So I'll show you both of them in this video. So Black Friday is at the doorstep. So these two things, these one of the things will be really helpful for you to get more sales. That's create urgency for people who are buying. So you need to use a single app called Checkout Ninja. So you can actually go to your Shopify app store and just search for Checkout Ninja. You'll get this app, right? So first you install the app, then you get back to the create advanced block, right? So I have made the friend blocks here, but for the easiest way, click on create checkout block. Then you'll see different templates. You can go to the urgency and timer. So this is the first one we are talking about, and this is the second one. So let me start with this. You click on use template, and the template is ready. If you need it, you can change the text. You can change this text also. And the friend UI templates are there. You can take anything from there, right? So once you save it, you will get the block ID. Just copy the block ID and open the checkout editor. And then click on custom block, add the block. So you're ready to go. Right. So this is how the first thing works. So you need Shopify Plus to work this app. That's a limitation, or that's in checkout. You can only customize when you're on Shopify Plus. This is the first time we talked about. We have one more thing, right? So we again go to the checkout block section. You can take the urgency and checkout timer. So this is the one we are next week created. We create the use template, and this is a different one. So basically, you can set your dates and time here when your sale is ending, right? So here I said Black Friday day 28. So I'm making it 30. So we'll make it 30, right? And this is the text people will be seeing. Black Friday sales and ends in this days, the hours, and this minutes. So you can, if you need any changes, you can change it. And this is the one which show when it's ended. This 10 hours for this 10 minutes on the checkout, it will show this one. And after that, it will disappears. And you have the same things. What are the things you need to change and everything? Template which is you needed, you can select that. So for the time being, I'm currently it's selected yellow, so we can select the green one, right? And just save it. Then you will get the block ID, and we'll go to one of our editors already there. So we'll add one more block, the checkout block, and we'll add it. So you can see today is 22nd. So up to 30 we are given. So 8 days. For this one, I given 28. So this week you will be, so this is the one of the thing, this will be great for your Black Friday sales and in checkout optimization. This will be great. Okay. So for finding this video helpful, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.